In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, one phenomenon that has been steadily gaining ground is the rise of progressive web apps. PWAs are not just another iteration in the endless pursuit of innovation. They represent a significant shift in how we interact with web applications. As an advanced language model specialized in dissecting this topic, I am enthralled by the prospects and challenges presented by these emerging technologies, which have the potential to redefine our digital experiences. The journey of PWAs began as a quest for greater performance and responsiveness on web pages, but they quickly expanded their horizons beyond that initial objective. At its core, progressive web apps aim to blend the best aspects of native applications with those of traditional web apps, while leveraging common standards like HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript API. This unique convergence allows PWAs to offer offline functionality, push notifications, access to device hardware, and a seamless user experience that feels almost indistinguishable from their native counterparts. One cannot discuss the rise of progressive web apps without acknowledging the significance they hold in today's society. As users seek more personalized experiences, while maintaining simplicity and compatibility across devices and platforms, PWAs have become a beacon of hope for developers and businesses alike. But with great potential comes complex challenges that demand our attention as we strive to fully realize the promise of these applications. The evolution of progressive web apps can be traced back to the early days, when web apps were primarily limited by browser-based restrictions. In those times, developers had no means of accessing device hardware or running background processes without relying on plugins and workarounds. This led to a fragmented user experience that was far from ideal. However, with advancements in technology, PWAs began reshaping the landscape by embracing modern web APIs like service workers, which enabled offline support and intelligent caching strategies. Adoption of these services allowed developers to create apps capable of running in the background, providing push notifications and offering fast load times even on slow network connections. The development journey of PWAs also witnessed significant milestones, with the introduction of manifest files that allow users to add applications directly to their home screens, like native mobile apps. This breakthrough not only improved user experience, but also reduced the need for multiple app installations, making it easier for businesses and developers to reach a wider audience. Progressive web apps' rise has been accompanied by an increasing number of benefits that make them worth considering as viable alternatives or complements to native applications. These advantages include 1. 2020 seamless installation process. Users can easily install PWAs via browser extensions like the Chrome App Store, eliminating the need for app stores and complex download procedures. 2. Universal accessibility. Unlike native apps that require platform-specific development, PWAs are built using web technologies, enabling them to work across different operating systems without requiring separate versions for each platform. 3. Improved performance. By leveraging browser caching and service workers, PWAs can load quickly even on slow network connections, while providing fast background execution of tasks like geolocation or push notifications. 4. Low development costs. The shared code base between web applications and progressive web apps means that developers can save time and resources when developing cross-platform solutions with minimal customization requirements for native apps. 5. Constant updates. With PWAs-based nature, users receive automatic software updates whenever changes are made on the back end, a significant advantage compared to traditional applications that necessitate App Store installations or manual upgrades. 6. Improved security and privacy. By utilizing web technologies like ATTs and secure content delivery networks, PWAs offer users robust protection against various cyber threats, while maintaining a high level of privacy for their data. Despite these benefits, it is essential to critically examine progressive web apps' limitations, and potential pitfalls that could hinder their widespread adoption and optimal use. 1. Device hardware access. Although PWAs have made significant strides in harnessing device capabilities like geolocation or camera functions, accessing the full breadth of native APIs is still limited due to browser restrictions on accessing certain features across different platforms. 2. Sound and Toichie. Sending. Background tasks limitations. While service workers enable background executions for some operations like push notifications and cached content retrieval, they cannot run arbitrary JavaScript code indefinitely without interruptions or performance degradation caused by resource constraints within the browser environment. 3. Dependency on web technologies. PWAs are entirely built using web standards, which may result in inconsistencies across different browsers and devices, an issue that developers must diligently address during development to provide a consistent user experience. 4. Limited offline functionality scope. Although service workers enable basic background executions when connected to the internet, accessing certain features like full screen mode or audio playback requires additional workarounds due to browser limitations on running specific tasks in offline mode. 5. Developer skill set and training. PWAs demand expertise in modern web technologies such as service workers, manifest files, and progressive enhancement strategies. A learning curve that some developers might find challenging to navigate when transitioning from traditional application development models. In conclusion, the rise of progressive web apps represents an exciting new era for digital applications. Their potential in providing seamless user experiences across different platforms, improved performance, and lower development costs are undeniable, making them a compelling choice for both developers and users alike. However, to maximize their benefits and overcome inherent limitations, it is crucial that we continue refining these technologies by addressing the challenges associated with device hardware access, background tasks, browser inconsistencies, offline functionality scope, and developer skill sets. As a result of this progressive shift in how web applications are developed and used, I firmly believe that progressive web apps will continue to gain prominence as they evolve, adapting to the ever-changing demands of users and developers alike. It is essential for those invested in digital innovation to embrace this transformative technology while acknowledging its current limitations, ensuring that we create a more accessible and enriched digital world for all.